to Bird Catchers, episode 5. Today, we're investigating the graveyard. Spooky. But we're gonna probably find some birds in there to kill. I mean catch, and then make them pay. See, that's what we talk about all back here, so you should probably know if you're up to date with the shows. If you're not, please go back and see the other one, or else. In the night, in the dark, in the day, in the light, there is birds everywhere, so we gotta strike them down before they strike us down. That's how life is, so deal with it with the time ticking down. So strike them down in the night, no one's around. There are birds in the sky, so we gotta strike them down. The birds will come after you. But don't worry, just call our number 555-66-1969 today if you have birds around here.
Just call us up. We'll be there. Don't worry about it. Can't go by there because that's a grave. So we're going to have to go from around here. This, ladies and gentlemen, this is a birdhouse.
Ugh.
I see one. It's kind of sleeping. Those bodies. Let's go. Look at all this just inside. We can't show the viewers this.
Yep, I'm just gonna turn around. We gotta show you the birding process, of course. You didn't show those. That's not good. I hope you guys know, fun fact, in a graveyard, this is where they bury people when they die.
Yep.
Little fun fact for you idiots.
These are bird holes. Don't show this, I got a lighter. Alright, let's go. Alright, don't walk on graves.
It's really bad. Disrespectful.
This?
A player I knocked over was a bird. A squirrel.
Just easy. What kind of a grave?
I'm sorry to pause it. It's just it has some important stuff to talk about.
Alright, watch out. Don't step on any grave. Oh, we gotta go ball out here.
What's that?
The birds in the trees. Too high up to catch. They can sense that the bird catchers are coming.
We're cowards.
Alright.
And it sounds cooler. See, his name.
Sorry. We just have to have a little talk. Getting this count. And a whole pack of 30 birds. Believe it or not, 30 birds. Climbed up on him. They ate him apart.
Yeah.
Rest in peace. Alright guys, we're gonna head back to camp now. We might have missed something. How's it, ladies and gentlemen? We got another house.
Burn it up.
It's all good. Pay our respects to those who died for us, to save us from the evil birds. Believe it or not, Timmy was attacked by 30 cumbirds.
Yeah.
30 cumbirds. Those dangerous birds. And he was attacked by 30 of them.
We will must kill them.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, I'm not. Oh, wait, no. I think we've come across some birds.
Oh,
You know what
we
that
do.
means?
A bit of a bonus.
Graveyard inspection plus birds. You guys are lucky for this episode.
Come across a lot. We got a 6-pack. We'll do it for Timmy and Viper.
3, 2, 1. You gotta throw it at him. But they sense when we're coming up close. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Keep going.
Birds playing soccer here.
We burned it down, of course. Guys, can you see the bird marks?
And it was when we burned it, the net came off. Count all these nets.
We killed 3 birds in that.
Oh no, there's a bird net up there. Bird nest.
Looks like a bird nest. No, that's a hippopotamus bird nest.
Ugh, they're pretty dangerous.
Yeah, those are poisonous. But those are very rare. They don't come out of their nest usually.
Yeah,
It takes them up to 2 years. Right? Well,
Viper got killed by a hippopotamus bird.
yeah.
He was investigating one and came out and got him.
Right. Rest in peace, Viper.
Fun fact, it could take one hippopotamus bird could take down 3 birds at once.
Yes.
It's indeed dangerous.
Alright, well,
Goodbye, my bird.
That's gonna be it for this episode.
we arrived
next
back
time.
home. See you next
Of
time.
the line, come back later in the day. Just a reminder, be safe in today.